I keep all of these clothes?
Let's sketch the skeleton first. We need around 42 feet long PVC pipe, 18 T-fittings, 8 elbow fittings, and 3 joints. Measure and cut the PVC pipe according to the required size as per the sketch. Let me explain the sketch step by step. Start from the base, mark the joints needed. Note down the size of the pipes. In total, we need 2 18 inches pipe, 2 7 inches and 2 9.5 inches pipe, 6 inches pipes all together for the base. To ease the assembling, I had used primary colors, that is yellow for the base. Prepare yellow stickers and label the base pipes accordingly. So here is our base fittings ready. Just assemble them referring to the sketch. Let's move on to the stand now. Draw 3 pipes of 23.5 inches in the T-joints at the center. Draw T's on left and center pipe. On right side, we'll draw the joint. Now use green stickers to label the stands and fix the first 3 pipes as per the sketch. Sketch the back support stand as shown. Draw 2 25 inches vertical lines. Draw the joints on them and do the same in practical. Now draw 18 inches blue horizontal line for the hanging rod. Use blue stickers to label them. Now sketch the top extension pipes, that is 2 23 inches pipe above the hanging rod but 23.5 inches long pipe on the right hand side. That is because the T-joints are half inch longer than the normal joint that we used on the right hand side. Now extend 25 inches pipe for both the top and the back support, label and fix the pipes. Now draw the other 2 18 inches long hanging rod. Now label the hanging rods and fix them as well. Draw 2 inches extension pipes. Label and fix them as well on the rack. Draw the T-joints on the extension and sketch the roof skeleton of the rack using red color. The center, it measures 13 inches. The top pipe measures the same as the base except the center as it is uncut. Use red stickers to label the top of the rack. Fix the pipes of the roof as well. Our rack skeleton is ready. Let's prepare the cover. The length is 40 inches plus 1 inch extra to be used in stitching. Width is 16 inches plus 1 inch extra and the height is 54 inches plus 1 inch extra again. I am showing a short demo on a miniature. Cut the fabric according to the measurement. Fix the top as shown, that is, stitch the back first followed by stitching the sides. Now cut 41 inches into 54 inches size fabric for the opening. Fix ribbons on all the top and bottom corners to tie the cover to the rack. Stitch and fix a belt of 2 inches width using a velcro to adjust the size at the base. Lock the opening with pieces of velcro as shown. Place the material in a carton for easy storage. Keep the instructional sketch safely. The making of this type of tote bag is shown in my previous videos. Click on the link to view so. Stuff all the materials in it. Here's your mobile cupboard or clothing rack ready for you to carry wherever you need it.
So that's it. I finally found a solution to my problem. Thank you, ZebsArtbeat, for finding this alternative so beautifully. Keep up the good work, Zebs.